Today we're going to be using the Skin Perfector Kit by Pranatural. It contains 3 serums: Hyaluronic Acid, Vitamin C and Retinol. Before you go in with any serums, you're going to want to make sure that your skin is thoroughly cleansed. Hyaluronic acid is suitable for all skin types. With regular use, this helps improve the overall texture of the skin, providing intensive hydration and helping reduce the appearance of fine lines. Hyaluronic acid molecules attract moisture and hold up to 1,000 times its molecular weight in water, so it works best when paired with water-based products. Next up is the Vitamin C serum. Renowned for its antioxidant properties, Vitamin C helps repair damage from sun exposure and has a brightening effect, so it's perfect for addressing dullness and uneven skin tone. Enriched with extracts of aloe vera and vitamin E, you can use this on its own or pair with the hyaluronic acid serum for added hydration. Lastly, we have the 2.5% retinol serum, a powerhouse ingredient used to target signs of aging. Retinol helps visibly refine the overall texture of your skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and pores. Best used in the evening and works in harmony with hyaluronic acid. Be sure to apply SPF daily, especially when using actives in your skincare routine.